I'm Christina Lamasny. I'm the founder and CEO of Modumetal. We are, as a society, limited in what we can do by our materials of construction. So how tall a building can go, how hot an engine can run. Modumetal is realizing a novel class of materials called nano-laminated alloys, which basically means that we're making metallic plywood with really, really thin plies. We're actually growing metal. We use electricity instead of heat as an input form of energy, and we modulate the electricity. Those different electrochemical conditions allow us to grow metals that can deliver performance that is completely unprecedented. What we're doing is enabling an alloy class that's 10 times the strength of steel. We can deliver corrosion-resistant alloys that are 30 times the performance of conventional galvanized. We recently announced a partnership with Toyota Tsusho America, which is a metals manufacturing arm of the Toyota Group.